you're ready to start trading online. So whether you choose our popular MT4 and MT5, or our user-friendly web trader, or even our award-winning mobile platform AvaTrade Go, you first need to open a trading account. And here's how you do that step by step. First, fill out the registration form. It takes just a few minutes. Once your account is created and before you can make a deposit, you'll need to verify the account in the My Dashboard section. Click on Upload Documents. There are two kinds of documents required here: an ID or passport with your full name and image clearly visible, and proof of residence. This can be any kind of utility bill or bank statement from the past 3 months, with your name and address clearly visible and matching your ID or passport. Done uploading? Great! Our team will verify your documents ASAP. Once your account is verified, you'll receive a notification. And that's done. All that's left for you to do is to select the platform you want to trade with. Fund your account with any of the multiple forms of payment available, then dive into the world of trading with thousands of opportunities across 1,000 tradable assets. From popular stocks like Tesla and Amazon, and global currencies like the euro/dollar, to commodities like gold and oil and global indices. Now you have an account, you're ready to jump into the buzzing world of trading. Any questions? Our experts are waiting to help out. Happy trading!